In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up the quick start for Moltbot or Clawdbot using your terminal. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and access to a terminal on your computer. It also helps to have your OpenAI API key handy since we'll enter it later. Keep that key private and never share it publicly. Start by opening the Moltbot or Clawdbot page. Scroll down until you find the quick start section. There, you'll see a code snippet provided for you. This snippet is a single command that downloads and kicks off the installer, so don't edit it, just highlight it and copy it exactly as it appears. Next, open your terminal. On Mac OS or Linux, you can use the terminal app. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt or PowerShell. Click inside the terminal window, paste the code you just copied, and press enter. As soon as you hit enter, the installer will begin running and will automatically set everything up on your computer. Now just wait, you'll see messages scrolling by as it downloads components and prepares the environment. This can take a bit depending on your connection and system. Resist the urge to close the window. Let it finish. If it seems to pause, that's normal. Give it another moment to continue. When the installation wraps up, you'll be prompted to click Yes on a confirmation labeled, I understand. This is simply acknowledging the setup details and any notices. Click Yes to proceed. From here, choose Quick Start to follow the pre-configured path. When prompted, choose Reset. This ensures you're starting fresh and clears any earlier settings that might conflict. Next, select OpenAI. Then choose the OpenAI API key option. You'll be asked to type your API key. Paste your key carefully, double check for any extra spaces, and confirm. Remember, this key is sensitive. Store it securely and avoid sharing it anywhere. After that, you'll be prompted to choose a model. Pick the model that fits your needs. Newer models offer better reasoning and quality, while lighter ones can be faster and more cost-effective. Finally, choose a channel. This determines where you'll interact with the bot, whether that's a command line interface, a web view, or an integrated chat environment depending on what's available in your setup. That's it. You followed the quick start from copying the code, installing via terminal, confirming the setup, selecting quick start, and reset, configuring OpenAI with your API key, and finishing by choosing your model and channel.